2018 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, heated front seats, electronic stability control, heated steering wheel, fog lights, power windows, compass, trip computer, CD player, security system, rear window defroster, tachometer, brake assist. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.